Y'all can see they got him. He ain't getting far. He ain't getting far. Don't be like him. What is going on YouTube, man? I am back with another video, man, and you can see, all right, where are we at? The beasts are back there, man. I got mine and Garrett's, man, and it's crazy. I didn't even pay attention, but I got some cars behind me that I know. So we're gonna take a look at them. Ooh, I'm holding the camera all close. But yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. We're gonna check out these cars. All right, we're gonna check out these cars and we're gonna get to it. Nice little wide body. Got a great 300. Got a Daytona 392.
Gonna be the first. It's gonna be the first wide body Daytona 392.
Yeah, nice little orange one. 392.
That's that hell scat right there. That hell scat.
That's what it look like.
I'm about to say the bad.
Look out, see it, man.
What? Hey, tell me how much horsepower your shit pushing?
I never said. Nah, I'm gonna drop a video next week of my dyno numbers and stuff. Y'all can see. Y'all can see, man. It's clean too. I like the white. The white on black always look good, you guys. Y'all see who it is, man. Y'all got the KNG. The man himself. What's in your cup, man? Tell me what's in your cup.
Crown. We always with the crown.
Y'all see it, man. Man, that's tough. Y'all hear that? That's called a copyright. Look who it is, you guys. He's gonna drop a video shortly, man. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. got no tires left. Y'all see it? He ain't got no tires left, you guys. You got a Hellcat. As you can see, man, we changed locations again, you guys, again. All right, so we're gonna see what we getting into, man. I'm pretty sure they're gonna turn this one into another, like I said, another swinging pit, man. We're gonna check it out, man. There's some other cars that are here that wasn't the last one, man. So let's go see what they're talking about. Like I said, you guys, I was about to tell you, I'm about to be out, man. I'm too old for this, you guys.
Yeah,
I'm too old.
Charlotte, man. Let's fucking go, man.
But yeah, we better wrap it up, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, man. I had no idea who that was. But anyways, again, everything 1320 happens here. So car meets car mods, all that good stuff, man. And let's go.